Discover the capabilities of our stainless steel piezometer groundwater sampling kit, specifically designed for accurate groundwater measurements and sample collections up to 12 feet below the surface. Unlike other piezometers with fixed welded fittings, our innovative stainless steel piezometer design offers unmatched versatility by allowing you to easily remove and replace the internal spring and screen for thorough decontamination. This ensures your measurements remain precise and reliable. Plus, our piezometer can be seamlessly connected to additional piezometer bodies, expanding your measuring and sampling capabilities. This kit includes an 18-inch rubber-coated cross handle, two 3-foot extensions, and a 1 3/4 inch regular auger to effectively pre-auger a borehole if tough soil conditions are present. Simply thread all components together securely and start augering by turning the cross handle clockwise until the auger cylinder is full. If you are installing semi-permanent or permanent groundwater measuring or sampling points with our optional screened expendable tips, pre-augering may not be necessary. After completing your borehole, thread the piezometer and the piezometer extension together and gently lower it into the borehole. Next, thread the threadless drive adapter to the heavy-duty slide hammer and position it over the piezometer extension. To drive the piezometer, pull up on the slide hammer and then pull down to create a driving force. It is crucial to ensure that all parts are securely threaded together before driving the piezometer to your desired depth. After reaching your desired depth, simply connect your tubing to the gas vapor probe dedicated tips barbed adapter and carefully lower it into the piezometer. To retrieve the piezometer, thread the T-jack adapter to the piezometer extension. Position the removal jack beneath the T-jack adapter and smoothly extract the piezometer. This comprehensive kit also includes versatile screened expendable tips, ideal for both semi-permanent and permanent groundwater measurements for sample collection. The setup process for these tips is a breeze. Insert the stainless steel mesh screen into the expendable tip holder and secure the expendable tip firmly in place. Now that your screened expendable tip is set up, thread the expendable tip holder to the piezometer extension. Next, thread the threadless drive adapter to the heavy-duty slide hammer and position it over the piezometer extension. Remember, it is essential that all components are securely threaded together before driving to your desired depth. If at any time you find it difficult to unthread parts by hand, use the provided crescent wrenches. For demonstration purposes, here is a close-up view showing how to connect your tubing to the twist-to-lock barbed adapter. Afterwards, reverse thread the twist-to-lock connector to the expendable tip holder. After you have removed the male-to-male coupler from the piezometer extension, carefully lower the twist-to-lock connector with the attached tubing into the piezometer extension. Reverse thread the twist-to-lock connector to the expendable tip holder. Finally, gently pull up on the tubing to ensure a firm and secure connection. Thread the slotted pole adapter to the piezometer extension. Once more, reverse thread the twist-to-lock connector to guarantee a firm and secure connection. Finally, thread the T-jack adapter to the slotted pole adapter. Position the removal jack beneath the T-jack adapter and slightly extract the piezometer extension. This action will release the expendable tip from its holder, enabling you to successfully gather groundwater measurements and samples. Cleaning brushes are also included to help you maintain and care for your equipment. By regularly cleaning and securing all thread connections, you can maximize your equipment's performance and extend its lifespan. For precise groundwater measurements and reliable sample collection, we provide a few options for peristaltic pumps along with our high-quality stainless steel balers, which make an excellent alternative. Our piezometers feature a roomy 7/8" inside diameter, allowing the use of both 3/8" and 5/8" water level meters for accurate pre-measurement.